Om Paramatmane Namaha. My dear yoga followers, I am happy to announce that we are going to start yoga awareness classes. I am Limbadri Swami Vaidya, founder of Yoga Sadhana Foundation, Nizamabad, Telangana, India. The Yoga Sadhana Foundation is an organization of science of yoga, Rishi's wisdom and culture. The only aim of Yoga Sadhana Foundation is wellness. Wellness of individual, families, society and entire world. Actually, this is the concept of our great Rishis. Our forefathers are Rishis. Rishis were the scientists of all ages. Rishis, they worked for the welfare of entire world, the welfare of mankind. Rishis observed the human life, did several experiments on human life. How to make the human life brightful, how to make the entire world noble and peaceful. And they came to conclusion that the life system, way of living is most important. If the way of living is correct, right, and integral, holistic, then each person will become noble and the life will be enlightened. Then automatically families and entire world become noble. That's why our Rishis announced that Krunvanto Vishwamaryam, make the entire world noble. Yoga Sadhana Foundation also working there for that concept only. Our Rishis has written several Shastras, sciences. In them, they announced their goals. One sloka is like that: Sarve bhavantu sukhinaha, sarve santu niramayaha, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kachid dukkha bhag bhavet. Sarve bhavantu sukhinaha, let all the people be happy. Sarve santu niramayaha, let all the people be healthy. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu, let all the people be safe. Ma kachit dukkha bhag bhavet. Nobody should get suffering. This is the concept of our Rishis. They work for noble world. Yoga Sadhana Foundation, our organization also working for that principle only. Wellness of individual and wellness of family and society, entire world, that is our aim. For that we have our own mission. We are conducting so many activities at local, directly. Now we are starting the yoga awareness classes through different media, electronic media. By spreading the awareness of yoga, we can bring changes in this world and in this society. Because yoga has so many purposes. Yoga gives health, yoga gives happiness, yoga brings harmony. Yoga has the power to unite the society, unite the entire world. If we make the world to follow the yoga ways, because they are integral and holistic. If the world follow the yoga ways, the world become peaceful, the world become noble. So, in this way, we have started yoga awareness classes. Actually, yoga 99% practical only. In Yoga Shastra, the Maharshi Patanjali has written this. In that Yoga Shastra, 195 principles means sutras, means small sentences are there in Sanskrit language. Each word in those sentences is most valuable and full of wisdom. A person can follow yoga systems by understanding the systems first and how to apply them in the life. So we are going to do that only. First, by these classes, we take each word of the science of yoga and we explain them clearly, and also we explain perfectly how to apply them in our life and how to enlighten our lives, how to bring peace in our life, and how to get total benefits of the yoga. Yoga announces that you are the source. Every human being is a source because you are the soul. Soul is the source of every person. Soul has several powers. So many powers are present in the soul. Yoga systems activate the powers of the mind and soul and manifest them. In that way, the person is able to utilize them. So, generally we know yoga is for health, yoga for happiness, and also yoga is for harmony. Yoga brings harmony in the human system individually and brings harmony in each family and brings harmony in the society and in the world. Then the rishis, what slogan they give, Krunvanto Vishwamaryam, will be achieved, it come into practice. And Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha, all people live happily, that also come to practice. So for that purpose only, we have started this yoga awareness classes. I welcome all yoga practitioners to follow, understand and follow, utilize our services and enlighten your lives. Get complete benefits. Along with this, I welcome all the well-wishers of yoga for their cooperation. We need all types of cooperation. You can cooperate us by any way. We welcome you. So, in this way, our classes will be useful to many persons in many ways. Already in this world, so many organizations are working, taking this concept. So many individual persons also working this concept. Our aim is to support every person by giving right awareness, theoretically and practically also. So this is our second episode. This is our concept about our mission, our aim. So we meet in our next episode. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.